Hey guys, this is laser cutting with Corel 102. 102 means that this is supposed to come after 101. So my 101 video shows you how to make the kind of geometry that the laser is going to read, which is red hairlines. And this is where it cuts through. And black areas where it's going to engrave. 102, this video, is all about how to get this into the laser and print it. So first of all, the laser is a type of printer. Even though we call it a laser cutter, it acts like a printer. You'll see that. And it's not connected to your computer. So you need to get this file over to our laser computer. And here's how you do that. First, you're going to go ahead and save this file somewhere on your computer, the computer you're sitting at right now. I would suggest just throwing it on the desktop for now. So give it a good name. I'm going to call this Wilson Smiley. I'll know what that is. Hit save, and then click on this button here. This is called Windows Explorer. And this is what you're going to use to move that file to where it needs to be in order to cut. So first, I'm going to go to the desktop. That's where I saved my file. So you go to wherever you saved yours. And I'm going to find Wilson Smiley. Right-click. Copy. And then I'm going to go up here, and you guys want to get ready to pause the video and write down what I put in here. // and this is the slash that's over the enter key. TH Tech Laser 0 Laser Cutter Wilson. So pause the video, write that down. Alright, once you're in there, you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff, because this is all of my students' stuff that they've printed over a couple of years. I'll probably clean this out soon. But if you come in here and you right click and you hit paste, there you go. Your stuff is now on the computer called THS Tech Laser 0, and that's over in the shop. Once you're done there, you're going to walk over to that machine, and you're going to find something called, and I'm going to bring this up so I can write it down, the thaw space. So find the thaw space on that computer. It's going to be down here. And that's where you're going to see Laser Cutter Wilson, and you'll be able to find your part. I'm going to show you from this computer. Once you find your part and you open it up, you're going to go to File, Print. So you do this on the computer over by the printer, okay? And you're going to find this printer, PLS 6.75. And you're going to hit Print. And nothing happens. You have to find this icon right here, the Universal Laser Systems Control Panel, and you click on that, and there's your part. And this ruler here is in the laser, and you're ready to print. You're going to want to go over to the laser. You're going to want to turn on the printer before we go any further here. So once you get your file up on the printer's computer over in the shop, you're going to follow the following list. 1. Turn on fan above printer. 2. Turn on printer. This is on the bottom of right side near power cord. 3. Turn on air assist. This is behind the big 3D printer. It's a yellow handle. And then 4, set up the computer. All right, so turn on the fan above the printer. This sucks the exhaust out of the printer. Turn on the printer. Take a little while to boot up. Turn on air assist, which is going to blow air through the laser cutter so it gives you a cleaner cut. And then you got to set up the computer. Once you get here, you're ready to set up the computer. Make sure that what you're going to cut is fitting the size of the material. So I would need at least a 6-inch by 5-inch piece of material in here to cut this. You go to Settings. You go up here to Material Database. And you're going to choose the material that you want to use. Let's say I'm going to make this out of plastic. Normal clear acrylic is extruded acrylic. It is so important that you guys set the right material thickness. So use a pair of calipers and measure the thickness of your material, okay? Hit OK. And if you've done everything right, you can hit this green button and your stuff will print. Good luck, guys.